Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix Pi network migrate to Mainnet problem. So this is the best method that you can do. So just stick till the end of this video so that you will know how to solve the problem. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is go ahead and go to your Pi Mainnet account. And once you're here, you will see these three horizontal lines at the top left corner. So you just have to click on that, and then you just have to look for the support portal right here. So click on this one. And then once you click on that, you will be redirected to another page, which is on your browser. So in here, you just have to go to the bottom, and then you will see at the very bottom, you will see the spy help and email request. So we're going to click on that one. Then once you click on that, it will give you this page right here where you have to put your email confirmation, your Pi username, the subject, and the description. So you can also drop or drag any screenshots to make it very easy for them to track what's the problem of your account. So let's say, for example, on the description, we're gonna type in the issue or the problem. It depends on you, on what you've been experiencing on your account. So this is the username, the subject, the migrate to mainnet pending. So here is the description. For over months now, I have been able to successfully pass all the mainnet checklist steps except level 8, which is migrate to mainnet step. Please kindly attend to this message as soon as possible. Thank you in advance. So once you're done typing all your issues or the um problem that you've been experiencing, you can put here an attachment or screenshots regarding to the issue that you've been submitting in here. And then once you're done with all of that, once you're contented with the content of your issue or the description, you just have to click on the send button right here. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!